Begin a journey into the life and legacy of Thales of Miletus, recognized as the father of Western philosophy. Born in Miletus, an influential city in ancient Ionia, Thales was a pioneering figure who transformed Greek thought. He is celebrated for introducing rational inquiry in place of mythological explanations, marking the dawn of philosophy as a discipline. Thales's intellectual pursuits spanned various fields, including philosophy, mathematics, and astronomy. He was one of the 7 sages of Greece, renowned for his wisdom and ingenuity. Thales posited that water is the primary substance of all things, a revolutionary idea that steered philosophical thought from mythos to logos. This shift represented a significant advancement in human thought, emphasizing observation and rationality over myth and speculation. As a philosopher, Thales sought to uncover the underlying principles of the cosmos. His assertion that a single element, water, was the origin of all matter, introduced a new way of thinking about the universe's composition and existence. This idea not only laid the groundwork for future philosophical inquiries but also influenced the development of scientific thought. Thales's contributions to mathematics, particularly in geometry, further showcase his intellectual prowess. He is credited with several geometric theorems and principles, demonstrating an early understanding of mathematical relationships in the natural world. His work in this area laid the foundation for future mathematicians and philosophers. In astronomy, Thales made significant strides by predicting solar eclipses and understanding celestial cycles. His observations and theories in this field were monumental for their time, illustrating a shift towards empirical and rational understanding of the heavens. The legacy of Thales of Miletus is profound, establishing the bedrock of Western philosophy and science. His emphasis on rational inquiry and the search for natural explanations paved the way for future philosophers and scientists, making him a pivotal figure in the history of human thought. Continuing from Thales's role as a trailblazer in Western philosophy, this section delves into his philosophical teachings and beliefs. Thales is famously known for his proposition that water is the fundamental principle, arch, of all things. This profound assertion signified a shift from mythological explanations to a rational understanding of the natural world, paving the way for scientific thought. Thales's belief in water as the source of all existence was revolutionary. It suggested a unified origin for the diverse phenomena observed in nature, introducing the concept of a singular underlying substance. His approach reflected a quest to find the essential substance that constitutes all matter, a line of inquiry that would greatly influence later philosophers in their search for the building blocks of reality. Beyond his teachings on the primacy of water, Thales is also credited with the idea that the world is full of gods, indicating his belief in the presence of divine forces in the natural world. This perspective bridged the gap between the mystical and the rational, showing an early attempt to reconcile spiritual understanding with empirical observation. Thales's contributions to philosophy extend beyond specific doctrines. His method of inquiry, which emphasized observation and reasoning over mythological narratives, was a significant departure from the prevailing thought of his time. By seeking natural explanations for the workings of the universe, Thales laid the foundational principles of philosophical and scientific inquiry. His teachings and beliefs, though limited in recorded detail, represent a monumental shift in human thought. Thales's legacy lies in his approach to understanding the world, an approach that combines the rational with the empirical, encouraging a deeper exploration of the mysteries of nature and existence. Building on Thales's philosophical foundation, this section explores his significant contributions to mathematics and astronomy. Thales, often credited as the first true mathematician, introduced several geometric principles that laid the groundwork for later mathematical exploration. His most notable achievement in geometry is the theorem stating that a circle is bisected by its diameter, demonstrating his understanding of basic geometric properties. In addition to geometry, Thales made substantial contributions to the field of astronomy. He is renowned for reportedly predicting a solar eclipse, showcasing his advanced understanding of celestial phenomena. This accomplishment, along with his observations of the solstices, positioned Thales as a pioneer in scientific astronomy, moving beyond mere observation to predictive and theoretical understanding. Thales's approach to astronomy combined empirical observation with philosophical reasoning. He observed the stars and the movements of celestial bodies, formulating theories about the universe's structure. His work in this area marked a significant departure from the mythological interpretations of celestial events prevalent in his time. Furthermore, Thales's belief that the Earth floats on water suggested an early form of cosmological thinking, attempting to explain the physical structure of the world. While this idea might seem rudimentary today, it represented a bold step towards understanding the Earth's place in the universe. Thales's contributions to mathematics and astronomy are not just notable for their specific discoveries but also for their methodological approach. By applying rational thought and empirical observation, Thales set a precedent for scientific inquiry, laying a foundation for the systematic study of the natural world. Following the exploration of Thales's contributions to mathematics and astronomy, this section examines his profound influence on subsequent philosophers and thinkers. Thales's methods and theories significantly shaped the intellectual landscape of ancient Greece and beyond, setting the stage for the development of Western philosophy and science. His shift from mythological to rational explanations inspired generations of philosophers, including his successors in the Milesian school, Anaximander and Anaximenes. Thales's emphasis on natural phenomena and his search for a fundamental principle, arche, laid the groundwork for the philosophical inquiries of Heraclitus, Parmenides, and later, Plato and Aristotle. His approach, blending observation with rational analysis, became a cornerstone of the scientific method, influencing the way philosophers and scientists sought to understand the world. Beyond philosophy, Thales's mathematical theories and geometric principles were foundational to the evolution of mathematics. His work directly influenced Pythagoras, who further explored the relationship between numbers and the cosmos. The legacy of Thales in mathematics is seen in the enduring relevance of his geometric discoveries and theorems. In astronomy, Thales's observational techniques and theoretical insights paved the way for later astronomical advancements. His notion of predicting celestial events like eclipses introduced a new era of astronomical understanding, moving beyond mere observation to a more predictive and systematic study of the heavens. Thales's impact on later thinkers extended to various realms of knowledge, from philosophy and science to mathematics and astronomy. His intellectual legacy is a testament to his role as a pioneer in rational thought, shaping the course of Western intellectual history.